Hey there, welcome to the existing world tech with Sunny, where are all about making technology easy and accessible for everyone. I'm your host Sunny, and I'm thrilled to embark on each tech journey with each and every one of you. So whatever you are looking to upgrade your smartphone, explore the world of smart home devices, and simply want to stay updated to the latest tech trends. Tech with Sunny is a place to be. Make sure to hit the bell icon to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on your existing tech videos. Today is a topic how to join a Zoom meeting by phone. In digital in today digital age, virtual communication has become an integral part of our personal and professional lives. Uh, One of the most popular platforms, the virtual meetings and conferences, is Zoom. While many participants join Zoom meeting through their computers or smartphones, there are situations where joining by phone might be more convenient or necessary. Whatever you are on the go facing technical difficulties or simply prefer a phone connection, joining a Zoom meeting by phone is a straightforward process that ensures you stay connected and engaged with your colleagues, friends, or family. In this guide, we will walk you through the step by step process of joining a Zoom meeting using just your telephone. Obtain the meeting Obtain the meeting information before you can join a Zoom meeting by phone. You are needed the meeting details from the host. The host typically shared the information via email, calendar invitations, or messaging app. Make sure you have the following details handy. Meeting ID, a unique numerical code that identifies the specific meeting. Participant ID if required. Some meetings may require a participant ID from authorization. Dial in numbers. These are phone numbers provided by Zoom that you can call to connect to the meeting. Dial in into the meeting. Once you have necessary meeting information, follow these steps to join the Zoom meeting by phone. A. Dial one of the provided Zoom dial in numbers. These numbers vary based on your region and the meeting host setting. B. When promoted, enter the meeting ID, your phone keypad, followed by the pound. If participant's ID is required, enter it after entering the meeting ID, followed by the pound. Participant in the meeting. After you have successfully enter the meeting ID and any required participant ID you will be connected to the Zoom meeting by phone. Here are some essential tips to enhance your experience while participating via phone. Mute and unmute. You can mute and unmute yourself by pressing 6 on your keypad. This is officially used to minimize background noise when you are not speaking. Raise your hand. If you want to indicate that you have a question or comment, you can raise your hand by pressing 9. The host will be notified and they can give you the opportunity to speak. Listen activity. Pay close attention to the conversation since you won't have visual cues. Listening activity will help you engage effectively. Participate. While you might not be physically present, your voice matters. Contribute to the discussion while appro- uh, approximate and engage with fellow participants. Troubleshooting and additional tips. Sometimes technical issues might arise joining Zoom meeting by phone. Here are some troubleshooting tips for to keep in mind. Connection issues. If you are experience connectivity problems, check your phone signal strength and try dialing in again. Audio quality. Use a quiet environment to minimize background noise and ensure clear communications. Rejoin if disconnected. If you are connected, if you are get disconnected from the meeting, simply redial in dial the number, enter the meeting ID and follow the prompts to rejoin. Meeting controls. Some features such as screen sharing and viewing shared content might not be available when joining by phone. Make sure to communicate with the host if you are encounter any issues. Thanks the host and participant. At the end of the meeting, that your moment to express your gratitude to the host and fellow participants. A simple thank you go a long way is fostering positive virtual interactions. In conclusion, joining a Zoom meeting by phone is a convenient and accessible way to participate in the virtual gathering regardless of your location and technical setups. By following the setups outlined in the guide, you can seamlessly connect it to the meeting, contribute to discussion, and stay engaged with your peers. As technology continues to evolve, the ability to join virtual meeting by phone ensure that you can always be a part of meaningful conversation and collaboration on no matters the circumstance. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying connected is more important than ever. If you are looking to join a Zoom meeting on to go without access to computer, you are in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through step-by-step instructions and on how to effortlessly join meeting using Zoom just your phone. Dial in numbers to start. You will need to dial in numbers provided by meeting host. This number will be unique. The meeting you are trying to join is it's usually a toll-free number, making it convenient for participants from around the world to join without worrying about call charges. Meeting ID. Next, you will need the meeting ID, will which is series of number provided by the host. This ID is like a digital key that ensures you are joining the right meeting. It's critical to enter the correct meeting ID or avoid accidentally joining a different meeting. Access code if applicable. Some Zoom meetings have an additional layer of security in the form of access code. If you are meeting you are joining requires access code, make sure you have it handy before dialing in. Dial in process. Dial the provided dial in number using your phone keypad. You will be promoted to enter the meeting ID followed by phone. If if there access code, you can enter that as well. Participant ID. If in some cases Zoom might ask for a participant ID to link your phone call with Zoom Meet account. This step ensures that you recognize as an entity and not just a amicus callers. Muting, muting and unmuting. Sorry, muting and unmuting. Once you are in the meeting, you will have the option to mute and unmute yourself using the phone keypad. This is critical to minimize background noise when you are not speaking. Navigating and meeting. Navigate the meeting. During the meeting, listen carefully to the promotes. You can use various keys on your phone. Interact with the meeting, such as raising your hand, requesting to speak, or more. Troubleshooting audio issues. If you are facing audio issues, trying handling up and dialing in again. Sometimes technical glitches can affect the call quality. Additionally, ensure that your phone volume is set. Meeting controls. While you won't have access to the video during a phone call, you can still benefit from various meeting features. You can follow presentations, engage in discussions, and participants in polls. Ending the call. When the meeting is over, simply hang up and call the disconnected. If you are unsure that about any steps, don't hesitate to reach out to the meeting host or Zoom support for assistance. Joining a Zoom meeting by phone is fantastic way to stay connected even when you are on to the move. When with these easy to follow instructions, you will be able to simply participate in virtual meeting conferences and discussions. So the next time you will find you are without a computer, remember your phone can be window to the virtual world of communication and collaboration. Stay blessed.